This is me, Karthik. Welcome to my channel, Tech Solution. Whoever looking my channel, whoever looking my videos, whoever following me, I request you to please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon so that you will get to know whenever I am uploading any new sessions. As well as kindly share my link to others in your friend circle and like it. And whenever you are getting any confusion, any doubt, you can reach to me at any time, any point of time. And as well, I like to request to please give me the comments. What's your problem? According to that comments, I can give the answers. Yeah, well, so today in this session, I'm going to mention about NTP and what is NTP first of all, and how it works, and for what purpose we are working it. Okay, and later what I'll show you the configuration of the SAM. Okay, so let me understand you what is the use of this NTP first. Let me write something here. NTP is nothing but network time protocol. This is a kind of mechanism, and let me mention that so for that you can understand easily. If you want, you can note it. It is a type of protocol which is used to synchronization network client system date and time accordingly the server system date and time. This protocol is mostly used to run automation of jobs as per the time requirement, or you can say reason, or you can say time zone. Well, and you know what, which works over on 123 ports default. Okay, so hope you guys understand by looking this what I mentioned. What is saying, first of all, NTP is nothing but network type time protocol. It is a kind of mechanism. What is the nature of that? What I mentioned here, it's exactly it's doing that. What is that exactly? Sorry, it is a type of protocol which used to synchronization network client system date and time according to the server system date and time. As well, this protocol is mostly used to run automation of jobs as per the time requirement region time zone, you can say, which works over on 123 port by default. Okay, first what it's saying, see, nowadays, you know in market, companies are big. Take an example like IBM, TCS, Infosys, Accenture, Wipro. There are a number of top level companies, which companies branches all over the world. Getting me? The same company's branches is available in India. The same company's branches is available in Denver. The same company's branches available in Omaha. The same company's branches available in German. But here, yeah, when I mean the companies is available all over world. So all over world's time zone is not same. It's completely different. I believe you know that, right? So for India, time zone is nothing but Mumbai, Chennai, Calcutta. Like as usual, Denver, Omaha, and Dubai, Saudi Arab, as well German, and there have all those state level time zone is there. Getting me? So when take an example, when India client is visiting to America, okay, as per America time zone, uh, it is synchronizing the it's synchronizing its system. when he's going to get into the America, any branches, when he is in internet, according to that reason, his date and time is syncing with the servers. Then only he is able to access his directory and file systems or whatever it. Without syncing his date and time, he is unable to get anything else. So for syncing, it may take 5 to 10 minutes when an user is India user is traveling to America, German, Denver, Omaha, any place, or vice versa, when they are coming to India or any other place. So this is what the, as for the time region, it's shrinking. After sync only, they are able to perform their day-to-day activities, whatever they want to do in intranet. Getting me? This is where the workstation. I mentioned about the workstation. Getting me? Take one more example. Suppose IBM or Dell. Getting me? Dell data center is available. Suppose in India, somewhere else. Users are belongs to out of India. So obviously here time zone is different. Getting me? So here both of the server how syncing is happening because of this NTP. NTP configuration is there. So for that syncing is happening. So when we are sitting at India, we are working there as a Unix administrator. We are working as Unix administrator and we are sitting India. But data centers are belongs to suppose different place. Suppose data centers belongs to Denver. Okay, from India only when you are going to make any when you are going to schedule any job, whether it's cron tab entry or at whatever it, when you are going to schedule any job, okay, how it's working. If our NTP server is belongs to India, then as for India it's working. Or we can mention their time as well. Okay, as for their time, mountain time, central time, okay, according to their time, we can set our NTP. So for that synchronization will happen and it will work like that way. Getting me? So this is all about the NTP, nothing else. What is saying next? This protocol is mostly used to run automation jobs, as I mentioned, cron tab entry or at as for the time requirement region time zone, which works over 123 ports. Getting me? And there have the steps, by which steps actually it's working. So they have 4 to 5 steps. Let me mention the same. First we need to install NTP package. Second, we need to modify the NTP service, NTP configuration file. Third, we need to start the NTP service. Fourth, we need to enable the NTP service during boot of the system, or you can say server. Then fifth, configure firewall. Sixth, verify synchronization between clients, or you can say workstations. As well server. So this is then done. This is what the 6 more steps, by which step we are performing the NTP configuration. Okay, well, so hope you guys understood. Let me go ahead to do the lab. This is my system where I'm going to install NTP. Let me log in it first. Yeah, I'm successful login the systems. Let me open the terminal. Now terminal is open. Just maximize it. Here, before start the lab, we need to check whether system is shrinking or not. How we'll come to know? Just come here, click on system and administration and click on date and time. So here one more window will occur. This is what, see, the date and time. Here what is saying synchronization date and time over network is not tick mark is not there. So when it will shrink automatic, tick mark will come automatic. See, now I'm not doing anything else. Let me cancel it. Done. So now we will install and then we will configure the NTP. After configuration, it will shrink automatic and here check mark will be there. If we'll again click after configuration on date and time, here check mark will come automatic. Got it? Let me go ahead and do step by step. So first we need to check whether that NTP package has been installed or not. The command is how to check hyphen rpm hyphen qa file grep and NTP. Yes, well, it's already been installed. What is saying NTP? It's NTP itself. This is the package. Which package repository is related to some other packages. Okay, I never ever install early here in this particular system, but it's showing still if this packages already has been installed. It means what? Whatever these three packages. In these three packages, whatever dependencies there, those dependencies it is related to some other packages. When I install some other packages, this uh, package already been installed. So now no need to worry about it. Even though if these packages not has been installed, what you need to do? Hope you know the how to configure yum, right? If you don't know, let me show you how to configure the yum client. So, but make sure before that yum server configuration would be there. Then only you can go ahead and configure the yum client. Let me remind you how to configure yum client. Just come here vi/etc and then yum repo dot client repo. I given like that here. See, already I have been installed the yum client. I want to edit here because of this is not my yum server IP. My yum server IP is this one. So however it is, let me save it. So however it is, this is what the way to installation of yum client. So for me, or a yum client already been installed. If not installed, then you can execute this command. This is the yum client configuration file, and then you can enter inside that and you can configure it like that way. If you forgot the steps, you can follow my previous sessions where I mention about yum server configuration as well as client configuration. According to that, each single step, if you go through those each single step, then only you can understand properly and you can configure the same. However it is, we are talking about NTP right away. Now NTP package has been installed. So now what is the next? The next is what need to be done. We need to go for the that configuration file, right? So as I mentioned, that configuration file is /etc and ntp.conf. Come here. Here you need to go. Let me check what is the system IP for the same. My network IP is 57. How much? 192.168.0.57. This is my network IP. Let me come here. Here you need to come here. You need to come this line. Then it would be the comment by default. You need to uncomment it. You need to give your network IP. So our network IP is 0.57. Then mask would be, yeah, it's correct. Then no modify. What is saying? No modify. No modify in the sense no one cannot modify the same. Okay. And no trap. No trap in the sense what it means? Whoever will come in this network, those guys synchronization will happen automatically once they get into the network. This is what the meaning of it. Then Before saving, I would like to mention something to you here. This is my all those NTP servers, all those NTP servers which is been syncing, getting me, which is been already syncing. This is my server 0, server 1, server 2, which is already been syncing. So now save it. Done. Next, we just need to service that. I mean, we just need to start that service. Service NTPD start. Oh, now we need to make it on in the check config, so that when system will boot up, this service will come this out automatic. So the command is check config NTPD on. Over this, now we need to enable that 123 ports. So for that it will work, right? So how to check whether my port is listening or not? By net start -nt lpn, right? If you execute this command, you can come to know whichever ports are listening. These ports, these ports are listening, right? So it means as of now this many ports are working. However, it is doesn't matter. We supposed not to worry about all those things, right? We are discussing about NTP. Let's go ahead about NTP. So now what I need to do, I need to on that 123 port so that it will work. The command is IP tables -capital I input. We just need to input that. Then -p UDP is nothing but user datagram protocol -d port. D port is nothing but that port number we need to give you 123 -j. We need to accept need to. What is the meaning of accept here? It means when a workstation will get into a network or a new server get into a network, at that time the NTP server, server, it will syncing automatically with that workstation or with that synchronize or with that server. So it may take 5 to 10 minutes for syncing it. So then hit enter key. Done. Now it's accept. Now IP tables -capital L to check. See, now my UDP it's hitting to my NTP. So anywhere, any place in this network. So it means now it's working properly. Now come here. We need to be save this service IP tables save. Done. Now it's saved. Now go for service NTPQ -p. Here we can check, but as of now I don't have any other server, which server or which workstation is syncing with my server. So it will show no ID. See, currently it's showing no association IDs returns because of, yeah, that is true. Now nothing is entered in our network service, right? In our that NTP server. So for that it's showing no servers are there or no workstations are there. This is all about the, you know what? This is all about the network. I mean network time protocol configuration and the service, how it's happening. But yeah, how we'll come to know whether it's happening, as if here some of the servers and network and clients is showing, then only you can believe me, right? Yeah, Karthik, whatever thing you are saying, that's true. Now this many servers are showing there, in the sense this many servers are syncing with the NTP server, or this many clients are showing, in the sense this many clients is syncing with the NTP server, right? But here it's showing no association IDs are returned. But still, how we'll get to know whether our NTP is working fine or not? So here we can come in the server itself, click on system and click on administration, and then click on date and time. We can come to know here tick mark would be there in the synchronization. See here, synchronization date and time over the network, tick mark is there automatic. No one did not do, even I also did not do that. When I started the configuration, before that I saw you tick mark was not there, but after configuration has been done successfully, now synchronization is there, and now tick mark is there, right? So it means it's working properly. Here all clearly saying RGL4 NTP org, which three words I was showing in the configuration file. Here clearly three things is mentioned here, right? Your as well tick mark is there, and if you come to here time zone, it will be the India Calcutta time zone, clearly it's showing here, right? When some other guy Singapore, whatever users will come in world itself, and they will join in our intranet, at the same moment it may take 4 5 minutes for synchronization, and it will sync, and the same region time will display to them. Then only they can perform the day-to-day activities. This is all about the NTP configuration. Okay, thanks a lot to all of you who are following to me and who are looking my videos. Request you to please subscribe it, so for that I can bring in front of you new kind of tech solutions. And as well, I'd like to request you please share my link in your friend circle, whoever interest to learn Solaris, Linux, VXVM, ZFS, zones, and all those kind of things. Okay, so as well comment it and like it, and you can comment in the comment field whenever you are getting any doubt. Once I look your comment, then I can respond it. Okay, so thanks, have a nice day. Thanks all. Thank you all.